layers are laying. This is without me texturizing it or doing anything. But now we're gonna add some ombre layers. Start out the ear to ear. It's a U-shaped parting, and this is the crown area, okay? We are going to texturize in this area first. Parallel to the floor. Slide cut going up. We're gonna make a horizontal parting into this crown area. And if it still feels kind of heavy to you or the client, go back in a zigzag parting in the crown. That already just gave her some natural volume. We're gonna take 3 sections. We're gonna pivot. We're gonna do 1, 2, and 3. And I'm gonna start in the center first. Pulling her straight out, almost midway, and I'm gonna slide cut it down. Take your guide from that center part and go to your second section over here. So you kind of feel this part you just cut about to fall out of your hand. Slide cut. Third section, centerpiece. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to the sides. My centerpiece that I started with. So that piece is about to fall out of my hand, and slide cut it. Now I'm going to texturize and break those lines up. So I'm gonna go diagonal, go into the hair. So this lays really nice and texturized, and there's a lot of movement to it. And that, my friends, is ombre layered haircut. It's one of Creative Layers' specialty haircuts that we do a lot in the salon, and I just showed you how to do it.